651. The current time is 6:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. High wind warning in effect until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. What? North winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour. Where? Coastal Taylor and coastal Dixie counties. When? Until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. The strongest wind gusts are expected to occur between 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Flood advisory in effect until 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of Big Bend, Florida, including the following counties: Jefferson, Lafayette, Leon, Madison, Taylor, and Wakulla. When? Until 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details: at 3:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Tallahassee, Woodville, Monticello, Mayo, Perry, St. Mark's, Madison, Florida A&M, Florida State University, Crawfordville, Tallahassee Community College, Steinhatchee, Doak Campbell Stadium, Wakulla, Greenville, South Choppy, Lee, Cabbage Grove, Ido and Ido. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Flood advisory in effect until 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of south central Georgia, including the following counties: Brooks, Lanier, Lowndes, and Thomas. When? Until 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details: at 4:46 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Quitman, Valdosta, Lake Park, Thomasville, Lakeland, Hayhira, Boston, Ocklacknee, Pavo, Coolidge, I-75 and Exit 16, Moody Air Force Base, Remerton, Meigs, Dasher, Moreland, Barwood, Brooks Company Airport, Blue Springs, and Barney. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. These are the 6